Welcome back to John Cleese Car Audio. My name is Connor and today we've got a bit of a different one for you. I'm sat in a 2017 Audi A1 which has come in for an Apple Carplay system. Now, more commonly than ever, or normally I should say, we actually add Apple CarPlay to the existing head unit and the existing screen, and we can even turn this into a touchscreen for the CarPlay to operate. But customer wasn't liking the idea of that because their particular seating position would have made it quite awkward to reach the screen, and plus it's a low res screen. They wanted something that was here, extremely accessible on a larger screen with better high res graphics to use Apple CarPlay on. So naturally we looked into an option. Now, there's nothing off the shelf to do this job, okay? They say it's not possible if you've got the MMI system, but like you see in other videos, we'll just make it possible. So this has gone for a Pioneer SPH Evo 950, which is a great floating screen. It's a widescreen landscape style design, meaning we can get in a position in this A1 where the air vents are still free and the customer can still see the HVAC unit below. That's what the requirements were, because if we went for like another floating screen like an Alpine Halo, which is more top heavy, it would have blocked certain functionality. So this was perfect for this application. Now, this unit, from the top, we've got DAB radio, which it already had in the car, so we've utilised the original aerial. We wanted Apple CarPlay wireless, Android Auto also wireless, and obviously a very responsive capacitive screen. So when I'm going through Apple CarPlay, it's extremely easy to use. The resistive screens where you've got to put more pressure on, aren't that great. So this was really nice to use, very user friendly. Because it's the new Pioneer, it's really nice. You can actually have split screen Apple CarPlay on the right and actually the factory Pioneer DAB tuner on the left. So you don't have to switch between the screens on this model. That's really quite nice. It's I think it's the only unit actually on the market that does offer that in the aftermarket car audio world. So that's quite nice features. Difficult, complicated install. It took a couple of days. This isn't straightforward or for the faint heart. It doesn't just go straight in, because like I said, there is no off-the-shelf aftermarket fitting kit to put one of these in this car. So yeah, a little bit of a complicated installation, but well worth it. You know, the customer's got a unit which is extremely easy to use. So in this driver's position, it's straight there. It's so simple to use. Now, the angle shows it's quite close to my left knee, but it isn't. There's about 8 inches here from my seating position point of view, so it doesn't get in the way, even though the camera angle might show it looks like that. But yeah, great solution. Not simple to fit, but you know, drop us a comment and we can see if we can put it in your Audi A1 or S1. Extremely good option. So first one we've done, but actually we'll probably offer this more going forward rather than the aftermarket add-on CarPlay kits. We really rate it. It's all about application sometimes, and in our opinion, this is the right application for this car. But I'm going to be finishing there. So just a quick video on the Pioneer Evo 950 fitting to this Audi A1. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you can. Show support, we really appreciate it. We're trying to grow our channel this year, 2023. Really trying our best. But that's going to be signing off there. It's Connor from John Cleese. See you later.